Good morning, my dear students. Now we are going to discuss some extra problems. First problem, find the area of the pseudo-order region. So this is actually pseudo-order region given. So pseudo-order region, we are going to find that thing using area. So area of the pseudo-order region equal to area of the bigger rectangle, because 30 into 20 now, and minus area of the small rectangle. So for that rectangle area L into B. So L here 30 into 20, then minus 20 into 50. This length and the breadth 20 into 50. That's all. This is the pseudo-order region area. So another way, you can find the area of the bigger rectangle, first one, then find the area of the small rectangle, then automatically you can find that area. So multiply this to 3 2s are 6, so 600. 2 15s are 30. So answer finally 300. So 300 in meter, so meter square. So this is the basic idea. Now I am going to give you the idea about the combination form. So here 20 is a combined number, no? So common. So we can write 20 into remaining distributed law we can use 30 minus here 15. So 20 into 30 minus 15, 50. Now 2 15s are 30, remaining 3. So we discuss. So like that also you can give your answer. Now the same one, B. Find the area of the pseudo-order region of the parallelogram given. Here 20 centimeter, here 15 centimeter, and here one thing is given, that is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4. So now area of this region. This is 4, this is also 4. Now this thing is given. So area of the pseudo-order region equal to 3 centimeter. So area of the pseudo-order region. Here 20 50. So area of the parallelogram. This one is look like a parallelogram. So base 20 and the height 15. And this one is 4 centimeter. So we can write this one as a square. So square side A equal to 4. So base B into height minus A square. So that is area of the parallelogram minus area of the square. This is the pseudo-order region. So this is equal to 20 into 15 minus 4 square. So 2 15s are 30. So 300 minus 16. So 284 centimeters square. So base 20 centimeter, height 15 centimeter. Here 4 centimeter area. We need to remove this area alone. So area of this parallelogram base with height minus area of the square. Next, we can find the perimeter of the following. Perimeter. For that, first one is 4.2. Already you discussed this thing. 4.2. This thing given centimeter. Now perimeter is nothing but we are going to start this point now. So we are going to consider this length A, B and BA arc. So perimeter equal to, so A to B plus B to A. This is the no. But B to A is nothing but A to B 4.2 we keep plus, this is the perimeter of what? Semicircle. Perimeter of semicircle. So 4.2 plus here perimeter of semicircle. Okay, what is your circumference? That is circumference here. Perimeter circumference both are equal. For the 2 pi r divided by 2. 2 we can cancel. So 4.2 plus pi r. Pi 22 divided by 7, but r. What is our r value? So here diameter 2r equal to 4.2 and r equal to 4.2 divided by 2. That is 2.1. So 4.2 plus 22 divided by 7 into r value 2.1. So 4.2 plus 7 you can cancel. 7 3s are 21. 1 decimal 0.3. So 22 into 3 66. So 1 decimal so 6.6. So 4.2 so 8. So 10.8. So this is the centimeter. So 4.2 plus perimeter of semicircle pi r. So 22 divided by 7 r value here 2.1. Use this. Right. Similarly, next B. So here 3.5 centimeter, 2.1 centimeter. So this is also look like first A, B, C, D. So perimeter equal to AB. First we are going to start this one. Next plus BC, this line. Next CD. CD is the arc plus DE. Remaining all are just line. So means AB 3.5 plus BC 2.1 plus CD, it's a semicircle with diameter 3.5. So 2 pi r divided by 2. Here r value 3.5 divided by 2. Plus this is also same, so 2.1. 2 we can cancel. So 3.5 plus 2.1 plus 22 divided by 7 into r value 3.5 divided by 2 also we can write. Plus 2.2, that is r value 3.5 divided by 2. So 5 7s are 35, so 0.5. 2 22s are 11. So 2 11s are 22, we can cancel. So 3.5 plus 2.1 plus 11 5s are 45, 1 decimal. So 5.5 plus 2.1. Add these values. So 3.5, 5.5 is 9. Because of 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 0.5, 0.5, so 9. So 9 plus 4.2, so 13.2. Or 3.5, 2.1, 5.5, 2.1, no, 10, 12, remaining 1, 5, 10, 12, 13. So 13.2 centimeter. This is the B answer. Next C. 2.8. So suppose consider this is A, B, C. So perimeter equal to A to B plus B to C plus C to A. This is the perimeter. A to B is the line 2 centimeter plus B to C is the same semicircle perimeter. So 2 pi r divided by 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2, we can cancel. 22 divided by 2 into r value 2.8 divided by 2. That is radius, diameter is given by 2. 2.8. This distance. Don't add directly 2.8. We need to find this arc length plus 2. So 2 and this one reference to 7. So 4 sevens are 28. 1 decimal 0.4. Here 11. So 2 plus 4 11s are 44. 1 decimal 60. 4 plus 4.8. 4.4 is to 8.4. So 8.4 is the answer of your C problem. C centimeter. Find the area of the given quadrilateral. So, in that area of the quadrilateral, base is common now. So, area of the quadrilateral, base into H1 plus H2. For that, so consider the same base. So, consider that triangle half into base into H. Half into base into H1 plus half into base into H2. So 1 by 2 into base, we can write H1 plus H2. So for that base equal to here 14 meter, because think this one very small things are given. So 14 meter, and here 8 meter, here 2 meter. So base equal to 14 meter and H1 equal to 8 meter and H2 equal to 2 meter. So area equal to 1 by 2 into base into H1 plus H2. This is the area of the quadrilateral. So 1 by 2 into B 14 into H1 8 plus H2 2. So 1 by 2 into 14 into 10 7 to 70 to 70 meters square. This is the area of the quadrilateral. Next, second one B. Meter, here 17 meter, 10 meter, this guy 12 meter. So the same way base equal to 17 meter, and H1 equal to 10 meter, and H2 equal to 12 meter. This thing given. So for that area equal to 1 by 2, already we know the base into H1 plus H2. So 17 into 10 plus 12. So 1 by 2 into 17 into 22. 10 plus 12, 22. So cancel this 11. So 17 11s are 8. So 187 meters square. This is the answer for the third one. Fourth one. Find the volume of a given cube with a side cube. Find the volume of. So volume of cube equal to a to the power 3. Where a equal to here given 15 meter. So volume of cube equal to 15 power 3. That is 15 into 15 into 15. So 15 15s are 225. And once again multiply by 15. 5 5s are 25, remaining 2. 2 5s are 10, 12. Remaining 2, remaining 1. 2 5s are 10, 11. So 2 2 5. So 5 7 3 3. So 3375. So meter power 3. And the second, A equal to given 11.2 centimeter. So volume equal to A to the power 3. No, so 11.3 power 3, 11.2 power 3, 11.2 into 11.2 into 11.2. So 11.2, 11.2. Multiply after the put decimal. So 2 2s are 4, 2, 2. So 1 no, 2, 1, 1. So 2, 1, 1. 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. 1, 2, 5, double 4, 2 decimal. Into 11.2. So once again multiply 1, 2, 5, 4, 4, 1, 1. So 8, 8, 2 5s are 10, remaining 1, 2 2s are 4, 4, 1, 5, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. Next 4, 4, 5, 2, 1. 8, 12, remaining 1, 9, 10, 14, remaining 1, 5, 5, 8, 10, remaining 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. So that is 1, 4, 0, 4, 9, 2, 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 decimal. 1, 2, 3. Centimeter, so centimeter. So multiplication, that's all. Next one, find the volume of the given cuboid with the dimension. Please check the units also. For the second one, A equal to 10, B equal to 8, C equal to 6. So volume equal to L, volume of cuboid into B into X. Consider L value 10, B value 8, C value 6. 6 8s are 48, so 10. So here meter. That's all. Next, A equal to 120 centimeter, B equal to 0.2 meter, and C equal to 0.5 meter. Yeah, everything at decimal meter, no, but here centimeter. You need to convert your centimeter into meter. So for that, 120 divided by 100 meter. Cancel this. So 1.2 meter. So the volume equal to multiply 1.2 into 0.2 into 0.5. So 1.2 into 2 5s are 10, but 1 2 decimal no 1. So 0.1. Okay. So right. So 0.2 times of 0.5, it's 0.1. So 1.2 into 0.1. So that is 12. Okay, 1, 2. So 0.1. So finally 0.12 is the answer. If you don't confuse this one, 2 5s are 10, 1 2, 2 decimal no 1 2, 0.1. So 0.1 into 1.2, that is 12. After that, put to consider this 0.1. Don't consider 1 2 3 decimal. If you need to 1 2, you can multiply now 1.2 into 10. Here use just 1.2 into 1 no. So for that 0.2 into 1, 12, 2 decimal, so 0.1. That is meter. Don't confuse with this 0. After that, I have written 0.1 now. So be careful. Next, find the volume of the given cylinder. So, volume of cylinder equal to pi r squared. Okay. Further, first one given R value 7 meter, H value 100 centimeter. So here unit okay, R value what? H value 100 divided by 100 meter, convert into centimeter into meter. Further we need to divide. So 1 meter. So now volume of cylinder equal to 22 divided by 7 R square. So 7 squared into 1. So 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7 into 1. So cancel this. So multiply 22 and the 7. 2 7s are 14, remaining one 2 7s are 14, so 15. So 154 meter, everything you written meter, no, so meters. So meter power. Next R equal to 2.8. Next H equal to 100 centimeter. So here R value meter no problem. H value same 100 divided by 100 change into meter. That is 1 meter. So volume equal to pi r squared same value. So 22 divided by 7. So 2.8 into 2.8 square no into 1. So multiply 4 7s are 24, 28. So 1 decimal 0.4. So 22 into 0.4 into 2.8. Okay. Now multiply this thing. 28 into 4. 4 8s are 32, meaning 3. 2 4s are 8. So last. So 22 into decimal 1, 2 decimal, so 11, 1.1. So 1.12, 22. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. So 4, 2, so 4, 6, 4, 2, 4, 6, 4. 2 decimal. So this is our meter, no? So everything, so meter. This is the answer. So convert centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter. That's all. Next fifth problem. First one. Question. Find the height of the cuboid. Cuboid. For that height we need to find. Whose base area. So you have L, B, H. LB is big. So L into B equal to 500 centimeter square. And volume is, so volume equal to 1500 centimeter. So now volume, that is L into BH value 1500 centimeter cube. Substitute L into B. So 500 centimeter square into H equal to 1500 centimeter cube. So H is equal to 1500 centimeter cube divided by 500. Cancel this. So 3. So here centimeter square, you can cancel 1 centimeter. So remaining H is equal to 3 centimeter. Unit for a single length it's a centimeter, for area centimeter square, for volume centimeter. And the second one. If the each edge of a cube is trebled, so for that consider edge. edge of A give B, edge of A give B A. So therefore the new edge be tripled, so 3. This is the mean. Now in the first question tells how many times will the surface area increase? So surface area of old A give B equal to, we know that 6A square. So surface area of new cube, that is tripled, so that is 6 into, instead of A you have 3A power the whole square. So 6 into 3 squared into A square, this is the meaning. So 6 into 9 into A square. So already 6A square, so 9 into 6A square. So 9 times. So therefore surface area increase 9 times. This is the meaning of the surface area. The same way, second question, what is the volume increase? In which, how many times volume increase? So volume of a cube equal to A to the power 3. So volume of new cube equal to, instead of A you have 3A the whole power 3. So 3 power 3 into A to the power 3. So 27 A power 3. So 27 into old cube. That is, that volume increase 27 times. That's all. So like that you can study the important problems. Thank you.